Darling, you send me, I know you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see by the title, I'm testing out some products. So the first product I'm testing out is the Milani Cover Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer in the shade Creamy Vanilla. I'm also going to be testing out the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Porcelain. So I'm just going to be like testing them out and see how they look together combined as a base. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm chilling in my hoodie, my huge KK and Baby J merch, and I have a little cup of tea here with a Disney cup with my name on it. It is so nice. And we're just gonna be chilling, chatting, talking, testing it out. So if you want to see where I got my cup from, obviously Disneyland, it has like Mickey Mouse on the back, but I did a huge haul for all the stuff that I bought at Disneyland while I was there. Also vlogged it with my boyfriend. If you want to check that out, I'll have them in the first link in the description. And that's pretty much it. I love tea. I'm like a tea girl, not a coffee girl, like completely, 100%. The only coffees that I drink are the what do you call them, caramel cream frappuccinos from Starbucks. That's like the only ever coffee that I will drink, and it doesn't even taste that coffee. It tastes like it just doesn't taste like coffee at all. So I'm going to be having a brush on one side and a sponge on the other side. I should have been organized before I started filming, but I just made tea instead. So I'm going to be shaking it up obviously before I test it out. Pulling up my sleeves of my new grey hoodie. So it has a pump for people who don't know. I'm back with a mirror. I come in peace. So yeah, basically this mirror is honestly so dirty I can't even like see my face. So I'm just gonna be like dotting it all around. The colour is like slightly dark for my skin tone, but I kind of wanted a little bit darker just for when like it's summertime and when I'm tanned and stuff. Not natural tan because I'm so pale. Natural tan wouldn't even like, I wouldn't even be half this colour. I bought for people who watch me like regularly, you know that I have a Born This Way foundation, and I bought it too dark for myself, and it, like, I'm constantly trying to light it and stuff, so I still bought this one with the intention of being dark, but I didn't want it to be like overpowering. Like, it's not overpoweringly dark. Like with my Born This Way foundation, you're like, oh god, what is she doing with her life? So on this half I'm going to use my beauty blender, and this half I'm going to use my brush and just see how it works. I should have like read like what it's supposed to do and shit before I started doing it. So today is actually Easter Sunday when I'm filming this. I don't know when it's going to go up, but I pre-filmed a few videos just because I'm going to be busy for the next 2 weeks. My sister is coming home from the Netherlands, so I wanted to like spend time with her and stuff. So I obviously wouldn't have time to film. So it's Easter Sunday, and my family all went out for dinner, well, like my mum and her boyfriend, and I waited at home, so I decided while I had the chance I might as well film. But I know it's gonna be like past tense when you see this, so I hope you all had a great Easter Sunday and ate all the chocolate that you could possibly fit in. I didn't actually have any chocolate today because it's a long story. I have been like working out loads and stuff lately, and I know it's a review, you probably don't want to hear my life story, but I'm just kind of like talking while I'm like getting to know the product. But yeah, I've been working out a lot recently and like doing like ab workouts and doing like cardio and stuff and trying to like push myself, because I don't know, I feel like I was always like I don't know, I just feel like I needed to. Like I just got to the stage in my life where I was like 19 and I'm like, what am I doing in my life? I'm unfit. And I just felt like, I don't know, I was just felt like I was thinking about it too much and not doing anything about it. So I decided one day that I would get fit and like stick with it this time, because I'm sick of just thinking about it and not doing anything and being depressed about it and shit. So pretty much. So yesterday I actually ran my first 5 kilometers, 5k for any of you who don't know what that is, 5 kilometers. And I was pretty proud of myself just because I normally can't run. I did it as a HIIT workout though, so it was pretty, like, it was easy enough. Like I did half running, half walking, just to like change up my heart rate so like it's more beneficial. And yeah, I like, it was easy enough. Like I thought I would have died and like not done it, but it was easy. Like I didn't think it would be that easy. I expected it to be harder, but yeah, it was okay. So back to the subject. I applied the foundation. It says it on here that it is medium to full coverage, lightweight, oil-free formula, and it's long wearing, water resistant and sweat proof. Obviously I don't know about the long wearing, I just put it on, but it actually, it has, I would say, yeah, it's medium to full coverage, if not full coverage. I did have a spot here, but I didn't really put it near my lips because I don't like foundation near my lips. And I did have a few spots here, but they've definitely, like, I think the Beauty Blender side is like way better. I feel like it got the product in and instead the brush just kind of swept it over it. But I feel like all the blemishes on this side of my face are like completely gone. But these ones you can kind of see a few here, but the rest of them look really nice. It's not like completely matte and it's not like glowy, it's like in between. It's actually kind of nice, and I feel like the colour of it now that it's on me is actually really pretty. The colour of it, what did I say it was? Creamy Vanilla, 01 Creamy Vanilla. I actually think it is a really nice colour when you like put it on me. So I will put the concealer with it. So this is Porcelain. I have like, I squirted out 2 pumps and I have absolutely loads of foundation on my hand. So this concealer comes with like a little, it's like a little brush. When I first opened it I was like, what the heck is this? So I've actually like never seen a review on this product. I don't know what to think. The brush kind of feels, I'm not sure if I'm a fan of the brush. It kind of pulls at your eye. If you can see it there, it's like pulling at your eye. And you have to squeeze really hard and you're not really sure like where the product is going. So this concealer is super duper light, as you can see. I feel like it kind of hurts the sensitive part of your eye when you're applying it. So what else do I have to talk about while I blend this in? I recently watched the new movie called The Greatest Showman. And I actually am obsessed with it. Like the second I watched it, I like downloaded all the songs on Spotify and like I'm constantly listening to them. Like I listen to it before I even get out of bed in the morning until literally the evening. And like I'm normally the person who would like add songs to Spotify and then like, you know, like still shuffle my playlist, and like I wouldn't constantly not listen to any other song and like continually listening to the same like 3 songs. But honestly that's all I have done since like 4 days ago. Like I haven't listened to any other song except the playlist for that. And I am not sad about that. Like I'm obsessed with the songs. I think it's a really like a nice movie. Like you've never really, there isn't really many other movies like it. Like it's not one of those like classic movies where you can like tell the ending. Do you know those movies where like you're watching them and you already know what's gonna happen? Like it's just so classic. Well, it's not like that at all. Like at the, like, I don't know, I just love movies that like you just genuinely do not know what's gonna happen. Like but you're not sad about the ending, you're like still happy about the ending, but you're just like, I don't know how this would end. I really like movies like that. With the concealer, it's done a really good job of, I think it's way too light for my face. Look how light I am. Or it might be the lighting, I'm not sure. I don't look that light in person, but on camera I look scary. But it's covered up really well here, really well with my spots, and it's good under my eyes. I feel like I have a little bit of darkness like right under, but I feel like that could just be my fault for not applying it right. It looks really nice. The texture does look really nice. I feel like it goes on better. The two products like blend better together with the Beauty Blender, but I suppose that's like all products. If I was applying the foundation, I would definitely apply it with the Beauty Blender, because I feel like this side is like so flawless. This side is really nice as well, but I feel like you can kind of see the brush strokes on it. Normally I would apply my foundation with a brush, by the way, and they're fine. But I feel like this looks so, like, it just looks like really nice skin. And even the blend between the different tones, because I know like the concealer was a different shade completely, but even like the blend like here between them is like really nice. I'm pretty happy with that actually. I think it looks really nice. It looks like a really like natural kind of foundation, not like super natural, but like not like full on. I don't get how it's like a 2-in-1 concealer and foundation though. I don't really get that, but it does look a lot darker on my hand than on my face. So I'm not sure if you can see, but like it looks like really glowy, and my eyebrow looks horrible right now, but it looks really glowy. Even the concealer, you can see that I've like, it has blanked out all the darkness, like all my dark veins and stuff, but just like right here where I didn't get up close to applying it, there's a little bit of darkness. So I think I'm actually pretty happy with this foundation. It might be one of my favorites. It does feel really lightweight on my skin, but it still feels like it's setting, like it's still definitely like wet, but it is nice. I really like the base. Like I would do my makeup now and it would be nice. I would give the foundation a 4.5 stars, and I would, just because I haven't really got to know it yet, and I would give the concealer a 3.5 star, just because I'm awkward with my 0.5s, but just because of the applicator like brings it down, and it's nice, like it does cover and stuff. It's nice and glowy, which I like, but I feel like the applicator just brings it down. So that's pretty much all for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you've ever like seen these products, well obviously you've seen them, but if you've ever used them yourself, let me know what you think down below, and let me know how you apply it, or how you figured out how to use the applicator without like drying your eyeballs off. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with a brand new video. To the stage of my life where I was like, what am I doing with my life? I'm 18 and like unfit and shit. I'm not even 18, I'm 19.